Kigger man op her til venstre, kan man se nogle få lomvier, som sidder oppe. Lomvien er en lille pingvinagtig fugl, den ligner en pingvin til forveksling. Hvidt bryst og sort ryg og sidder her til venstre for vågen. Man kan ofte se på fuglens ekskrementer, hvor den holder til. Lomvien er kommet ind fra havet. Det er en havfugl, ligesom mange andre af de fugle, vi ser her om sommeren. For eksempel lumpen. Den kommer ind fra havet, fordi den kan ikke lægge et æg på havet. Ellers kan den gøre alt andet på havet. Men den kommer altså ind til lands for at lægge sit æg, og så tager den ud igen fra havet, når ungen er klar til at flyve. Ja. Sådan ser lomvien ud. Ja, vi ser nok nogle flere af dem om ganske kort øjeblik. These are guillemots, the birds that you can see here, sitting to the left-hand side of the boat. And guillemots are little seagull type of bird that's sitting, sorry, it's not actually related to the seagull, it's a penguin-like bird, black back and a white chest, and looks quite a lot like a penguin if you look at it, but it is not a penguin, it's flying, and but they live in the sea and they cannot lay an egg in the sea, so that's why they come into the land just around this time to lay this egg, and then as soon as the chick is ready to leave, parent and the chick will go back out of the sea, because that's where they want to be, on the sea. They're seabirds. Notice the color of the water here also. Often people ask us why is it this color, and I simply have no explanation. This is the color of this. Must have something to do with the reflection of the light and at the bottom. It's about 15 meters under here.